The camera world is buzzing with excitement as rumors swirl about DJI's potential first-ever mirrorless camera. Even more astonishing is the speculation that DJI might be collaborating with Huawei to make this a reality. If true, this partnership could revolutionize the industry, merging DJI's expertise in drone and stabilization technology with Huawei's cutting-edge smartphone imaging and AI-driven computational photography. Together, these two tech giants could bring a new vision to the world of mirrorless cameras. Stick around as we break down the rumors and uncover what this means for the future of photography. And don't forget to subscribe to Technify for the latest tech news and gadget reviews. With DJI's extensive experience in stabilization, it's likely that their first mirrorless camera could feature some of the most advanced in-body stabilization technology ever seen. There's even speculation that a gimbal-like hybrid stabilization system could be integrated, making external rigs obsolete. Meanwhile, Huawei's prowess in AI-driven image processing may lead to revolutionary autofocus and real-time image enhancements, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in both stills and video. We might also see Huawei's AI-powered computational photography integrated into this mirrorless camera. With potential features like low-light optimization, real-time HDR, and automatic exposure adjustments, users could experience next-level image quality, making the process smoother and more dynamic. Rumors suggest that this camera could sport a high-resolution full-frame or APS-C sensor, possibly benefiting from Huawei's revolutionary imaging technology, already a game-changer in smartphone photography. If these features are applied to a mirrorless camera, we could be looking at exceptional low-light performance with AI-driven noise reduction and advanced image processing. Given DJI's experience with the Ronin 4D cinema camera, it wouldn't be a stretch to expect support for professional codecs, possibly including 6K or 8K internal recording. This could be a dream for filmmakers, especially if built-in electronic ND filters are introduced. One of the biggest questions is whether DJI will introduce a proprietary lens mount or use an existing system such as Sony E-mount or Canon RF. A new lens system could be exciting, though it comes with some risks. On the other hand, adopting an existing mount would allow users access to a wide range of already available lenses, instantly making it more appealing to professionals. If Huawei is involved, there's speculation that this mirrorless camera could become the most connected camera on the market. With potential features like 5G, cloud storage, and real-time streaming capabilities, creators could upload and even edit footage on the go. Imagine being able to capture high-resolution RAW footage, back it up to the cloud instantly, and live stream your work in real time, all with AI-enhanced editing tools. Such features could change the game for content creators and professionals alike. DJI's impressive LiDAR autofocus system from the Ronin 4D might find its way into this camera, offering exceptional focus tracking and accuracy, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Coupled with Huawei's AI-driven image processing, we could see one of the most intelligent autofocus systems in any mirrorless camera to date. And let's not forget Huawei's periscope zoom technology, which has already made waves in smartphone photography. Could we see a mirrorless camera equipped with a periscope zoom system? If so, it could redefine long-range photography by offering extreme optical zoom without bulky lenses. While we await official confirmation, if these rumors hold true, DJI's first mirrorless camera could be a game-changer. This partnership with Huawei might introduce innovations that would challenge even the most established brands in the camera world, such as Sony, Canon, and Nikon. It has the potential to redefine what mirrorless cameras are capable of, bringing together AI-powered imaging, advanced stabilization, and next-level connectivity. Thanks for tuning in to Technify. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you consider buying a DJI mirrorless camera packed with all these innovative features? How do you think it would stack up against established brands? Let us know in the comments below. Share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to Technify for more exciting tech reviews, guides, and updates. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep the adventure alive. See you in the next video.